Hello everyone. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Tuesday, January the 12th, 2021. We have here in this additional a Sudoku with 1 star, with 2 stars, with 3 stars, with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star, tectonic with 4 stars, 1 binary, and a second binary. So total of 8 extra Sudokus. And I won't make them all too much time consuming. I only do 4 of them. 4 out of 8. Yes, I will do or solve the following Sudokus with 3 stars, with 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary puzzle. Alright, and the first Sudoku will be number 2150. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, all of these 4 Sudokus with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars has 25 printed digits. This one too. This one has also 25 printed digits. Yes. So I do not know how they give the stars to each Sudoku because the difficulty level, how can you measure the difficulty level? The only way is the time. If I solve the Sudoku faster, let's say this 3 stars, I need to solve this faster than the 4 stars, and not the 4 stars faster than the 3 stars. Anyway, we will see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the number in this big square? 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 9. We see here the 7 and 9 in this row, so no 7 and the 9 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square should be the 8 and the 3. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then in this row, 6 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. Then 4 missing numbers. 1 of the missing number is a 9. We see there 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here or could be there. So we have a 9 in 1 of those 2 boxes in this column. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 7 and this should be a 9. Alright. So we have a 9 in 1 of those 2 boxes in this column, a 9 in the middle column. So in column next, only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then. How about the 9 in the last column, the 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be 9 anymore. This box should be the 9. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Then. How about? Let me see. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 7. 3, 4, 7. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 here in this column. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. So the 3 and the 7, the 3 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 6. Yes. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Then. All right. How about 3, 4. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2. So we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, we see here 3. So no 3s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 there. So this can be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 4. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. Digit number 2, number 3. 2 numbers left in this column. For the numbers 4 and 5, let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. The other pair in this big square should be for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be here. Then these 3 numbers in this row should be the 4, the 1, and the 5. 145, 145. That means 1 digit left in this big square. 145. This should be the 145. This should be the 7. Yes. 145. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and 2 goes there. Then, 2, 5, 5, 3, 9. Two. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. There 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. The 7 is missing. Well, we see here 7. No 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7. Should be there. 6 and the 8 are missing now. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third row. The 7 and the 5 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing in this column. And the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this is going to be 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 4. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. The 1 and the 9. Nope, 9 we have. 1 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2 is missing in this big square. The 8 is missing in this big square. And the 5 is missing in this big square. Look, we have a 2 and a 5 here. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. One digit left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this row. 8 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row. The 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 5. I have marked those 2 boxes with a 7 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 5 should be here. 1 box left in the first column for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers are 1 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the second Sudoku. A Sudoku with 4 stars with the same amount of the printed digits, 25. Will this be easier or more difficult than this one? We will see. So, see you later. Bye-bye for now.